Do you want to begin your career in Dubai as a real estate agent and you are confused on the process? Today, we're diving into the steps you need to take to become a successful real estate agent in Dubai. Whether you're an expat dreaming of selling luxurious properties or a local aiming to elevate your real estate career, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Obtain a residency visa. In Dubai, you cannot work as a freelance real estate agent. You must be employed by a registered real estate brokerage to apply for a broker's permit. For expats, this means obtaining a valid residency visa. You can get this visa either from your employer or through your spouse if they are working in Dubai. UAE citizens and GCC nationals can easily sign up for the licensing process. But for expats, having that residency visa is crucial before moving forward. Step 2. Obtain the broker's license. After securing your residency, the next step is to pass the real estate brokerage exam to get your broker's license. This will give you your BRN or broker's registration number, making you an official broker listed on the Dubai Land Department's registry. To prepare for the exam, you can attend a 4-day course at the Innovation Experts Real Estate Institute, approved by the Dubai Land Department and the Real Estate Regulatory Agency. Step 3. Complete the RERA exam. This exam tests your knowledge of the laws and regulations governing Dubai's real estate industry. The fee varies based on your educational qualifications, ranging from AED 3,200 to AED 15,750. Make sure you're well prepared, as this is a crucial step in becoming a certified real estate agent in Dubai. Step 4. Obtain your agent's license. After passing the RERA exam, you'll need a police clearance certificate, which you can get from the Dubai Police website for AED 200. Once you have this, your agency will apply for your broker's license through the Trakhisi portal. Your agency will handle the submission of your police clearance certificate, course completion proof, and exam results. The economic department will then issue your broker license and card. Remember, maintaining your license is essential. Start the renewal process 1 month before your license expires. You'll need to retake the RERA test and score at least 85%. The renewal process can be done online with a few necessary documents and a fee of AED 510. Keep these documents handy: valid passport and/or residency permit, personal photo, broker's license certification. Becoming a property dealer in Dubai involves several steps, but with determination and the right preparation, you can achieve your real estate dreams in one of the world's most dynamic markets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on real estate in Dubai.